Hey internet, what's up? It's just a quick test. Testing out some audio suppression software on Windows this time around. And I do have my Robo back going in the background just as part of some test, see if it picks up the background noise. I'm a little far away from my mic. Mic placement's off, but let's see if we can do this thing. So I'm gonna pick a pretty annoying team here. See if I can get away with it.
CAPCOM presents.
All right, yeah, Capcom. Let's pick a little cable here. That color's fine. Little Mega Man. And who else? Let's round up this pretty annoying team here. Iron Man. Magneto's so cheap. I just want to throw him on the team just because. He throws out his moves so fast. It's throw in a low tier. That's gonna be my annoying team. All right. So I noticed last time a lot of clicking noises coming from the actual controller I'm using to play, and I just wanted to see if I could minimize some of that. The controller issues here. It looks pretty good so far. I did say this is my annoying team. Oh, there's a reason for that. Come on, Cammy. Do your thing. There you go. Get in there, girl. Right. You got me. You got me, Cammy. Oh no! Get out of here with all that, Cammy. Almost. Not quite. Put those glasses back on.
You got that killer instinct. You win.
Team Troll. It's a daddy and son team. Oh, this should pick up less clacking noise if I've done this right.
Get ready to kick butt.
No! I ran right into that one. Oh no! I didn't mean to call Mega Man out there. That'll work though. Give Cables a little time to heal there. That'll do. Aw, man, web ball stop that? What the heck? I didn't know. Get him out of there. Oh, there it goes. There we go.
You win. You got that killer instinct.
Alright, this is the last battle, guys. And then I'm gonna call it quits.
The battle for survival begins. Engage.
Jeez, Rogue, calm down. Jeez, the damage, Rogue. Yeah. All right, let's go, Mega Man. Don't get caught. All right, we got level 2. Back up, back up. All right, I cheesed him out enough. Jeez. Don't let him have a chance, huh? right, that'll conclude our
You got that
our action for today.
You win.
Of course my buttons aren't working.
Gotta get right.
There we go.